Hi, I'm Marie, and now I'm going to explain to you how to use your Corona Quick Test very easily. Before you start testing, blow your nose thoroughly. Take the extraction tube and gently squeeze all of the liquid from the extraction buffer bottle into the tube. Now peel open the swab packaging and take the swab out. Be careful not to touch the soft fabric tip. The swab tip should be inserted no less than 2.5 centimeters from the edge of the nostril, and turn the swab 3 to 4 times inside the nostril. Using the same swab, repeat this process with the other nostril. Place the swab into the extraction tube containing the solution and rotate it 3 to 5 times in the liquid. Then leave the swab in the extraction tube for about 1 minute. Then squeeze the extraction tube with your fingers while removing the swab. Now place the nozzle cap on the extraction tube and insert it tightly. Remove the test card from the packaging and place it on a flat and level surface. Now add exactly 3 drops from the extraction tube on the specimen marked with S. After 15 to 20 minutes, you can read the result. Do not wait longer than 20 minutes, otherwise the result may be falsified. This is how you interpret your result. Positive if 2 color lines appear in the control area, C, and in the test area, T. The result is considered positive no matter how faint the color line in the test area, T, is. Negative if a color line appears in the control area, C, but no color line appears in the test area. Invalid. It is invalid if no color line appears in the control area.